You then, you have a traditional food and beverage business. Do you think it's time to convert to a modern one? I understand your pain. Right? To have a food and beverage business, you need all your time and commitment to take care of your customer, your supplier, your manpower, and the condition of your store. Do you think you have all the time in the world to do other things? No, right? So in the modern business, it's all about automation, right? It's to set, develop, and implement the system into your business, right? Then you have more time to do more sales, to draw more crowd, and to create new unique selling point for your store, and many more. So if over there you do not know any knowledge about how to implement your system into the business, I'm going to run a workshop real soon. Alright, so stay tuned, be humble, stick to your principle, and go far.